Why do so many food documentaries seem to think we're stupid? That New York Times headline grabbed me. It's true. So many food documentaries talk about the ills of fast food and agribusiness that I kind of already know and agree with. They're thorough in their research and great for rallying activists. But they dive into a level of detail that, frankly, many audiences don't really care about. When I look at the queue on my watch list, it's full of, I should watch these films that, seldom inspire me to hit play, I hate to admit. The article offers a brilliant suggestion. Instead of another guilt trip film that doesn't make much widespread impact, why not a cooking show that makes healthy food so irresistible that it fires up all our desires? Imagine mouth-watering sautéed mushrooms or a sizzling display of scrumptious roasted vegetables. That's something I'd watch, and I'll be more likely to eat better because of it. This idea captures my philosophy towards storytelling and communications in general. How do we delight people, draw them in with pleasure, and sneak in nuggets of knowledge that slowly take root and create a subtle shift in mindset and behavior that endures because it comes from deep within? That's my approach with my documentary Matriarch. I'm going to transport audiences to places they've never been, draw them in with stunning landscapes, vibrant rituals, and colorful characters. Along the way, they'll learn about female-centered leadership and why that leads to more egalitarian societies. Curious about Matriarch and how I'm using AI to bring it to life? Sign up for my newsletter before it drops. Link below.